if you're not so much in the market to start a clothing brand where you do want to create cut and sew items and you're like, I don't really want to talk with manufacturers overseas like that and have the exchange rate and go through the ups and downs of finding a good manufacturer, well, then there's another model. There's another model out there for you guys. That model is called find a vendor that's already making hot designs and just order wholesale from them. It's almost like running your own boutique. You can have it branded. You can have your own logo. You can create a store with it. You can have a bunch of hot designs in there. Think of it as your own Sheen. Think of it as your own, what's the other joint? Fashion Nova, right? These are clothing pieces that are already put together, and all you gotta do is just order the sizing, right? Small through, please go up to 4XL. I'm begging you for the big boys. Consider the big boys and the big girls, right? Because I'm not about to squeeze in no damn 2X, you feel me? Now, I am gonna work on my little shoulders, you feel me? And everything else, but that's gonna come when it gonna come, you feel me?